Hello everybody, so today I will talk about geometry. The topic today is about we need to find the area in here. That's about the shaded area. So now I will show you how to answer. If we look carefully about this one, we have 3.5, 3.5, 3.5 and 3.5. This is about the square in here. So the first thing we need to find the area of the square. So we know that 3.5 plus 3.5 we have 7. So we have 7 multiplied by 7 and we have 49 square centimeters. Now we need to find the area of the circle. We see that this is about 1/4 of circle. Now we need to find the area of 1/4 circle in here. So we know that the area of this one that should be about 1/4 multiplied by 3/5 square, and we have b in here. But on the exam we know that they put about b equal to 3 and 1/7. Now I will change b into this one. So we calculate this number in here, and we have 77/8 square centimeters. And now the shaded area, that's about capital A. We will use about the area of the square 49 minus the area of 1/4 of the circle, that's about 77/8. So we calculate this number and we have 315/8 square centimeters. And this is the final answer we need to find in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.